Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir, and happy Vinayaka Chaturthi to all.
Yeah.
Hey, Saram Vidya. Good evening, Govind.
Hey, good evening, Ravi. So we'll give a few minutes.
Yeah, just another minute or so, sure.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we'll start off. Okay, good. Okay, fine. So good evening, everyone. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. So did you try out, couple of things that we discussed in the previous
I
class?
tried it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what is it that you found? Go ahead.
Sir, can I?
Yes, go ahead.
Just a second.
Yes, Vidya.
Sir, I have done 3 problems and recorded the time also, but one of the problems I have a doubt, sir.
No, I told you a couple of things, right?
Yes, sir.
What are the things I told you?
First, we have to do 3 problems and keep timer and record the time.
Correct. I want to know the time.
Sir, for 9 into 7, I got 25 seconds and 25 seconds. 92 into 98, 16 seconds.
Okay.
And another one I'm getting it wrong, so 93 into 99.
Don't worry about it, right? How long it took for you? That's what I'm more interested. See, as you practice more sums, you will get it right.
It took me 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. So how about others? How many of you were able to do it in less than 10 seconds? Can you please raise your hands?
Sir, 99 into 99 I got in 8 seconds, sir.
Very good. What's your name?
Sir, Chaitanya.
Oh, Chaitanya. Okay. Excellent, Chaitanya.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, 997 into 999 I got in 10 seconds.
You got in 10 seconds. Very good. That is Ashi, right?
Yes, sir.
Excellent, excellent. Anyone else?
Sir, it took 29 seconds to solve three sums.
Okay, you took 23 seconds, but how long it took for a sum?
I didn't check that.
Okay. See, now why I am asking you to measure is, okay, anything that you measure, you always improve, right? So what I want you to do is, can you solve, anyone answered a sum in 5 seconds? Did anyone answer a sum in 5 seconds?
Yes, sir. 999 into 999. Almost 5 seconds I took.
Who is this?
Sir, Chaitanya.
Okay, very good, Chaitanya. Very good. So the aim for all of you is, okay, can you, what's happening? Just 1 minute. to my screen as soon as I bring it. Yeah. So the goal I have for you is, can you do it in 5 seconds? Some problem with my marker. Okay, no worries. I will use the other one. Okay. So the challenge for all of you is, can you do it in 5 seconds? That's the challenge I am giving to you. You take any sums you want. Okay. Go ahead and try it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So anyone else got less than 8 seconds? Yes. Less than 8 seconds. No one. No one got in less than 8 seconds.
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Keep trying, okay? Yes. What is the doubt? Someone had a doubt?
Vidya, sir.
Yes, Vidya, tell me.
Sir, the 93 into 99, I did it in 30 seconds, sir, and I checked using calculator and it's showing 9207. I actually got 927.
See, correct, no? You are multiplying a 2-digit number into a 2-digit number. So you should get a 4-digit answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple, right?
Yes, sir.
So where is it that you think you are making a mistake? Where do you think you are making a mistake? Can anyone else correct her?
Sir, I got it like this, sir. So 93 into 99, I'm taking the complement of 100.
Right.
And for 93, I got 7, and for 99, it is 1. So if I subtract 99
into 99, so this is
7,
07. This is,
should we write 07?
yeah, should take 07, right? Because it is 2 digits. Because it is 2 digits, no, this is 100. Okay.
Yes, I got it.
Okay. Try more sums. Our aim is, can you do a sum in 5 seconds? See, the way we are going to do is, I'm going to give you in the test that we are going to have in the end 120 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
Probably going to give you 15 sums. Can you do 15 sums in 120 seconds? That is going to be the challenge for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's get going, right? So what do you think about this number 1729? Does it ring a bell? Has anyone heard this number?
No, sir.
Think. Has anyone heard this number 1729?
No, sir.
So who are these two gentlemen?
So the second one is Ramanujan, sir.
Right? All of you know this, right? Second one is Ramanujan. Right?
Yes, sir.
Who is he?
Mathematician.
It's a mathematician from India.
He wrote formulas which no one could understand.
Right. Many other things. Correct. Right?
Sir, 1729 is a Hardy Ramanujan number.
Correct. Who is this?
Sir, Vani Singhal.
Okay. So do you know about that number?
Yes, sir.
What is that? So while you're figuring out, the two gentlemen here.
Right.
Sir, I understood.
So it is the sum of two different cubes in two different ways.
Correct. Right?
Yes,
These
sir.
are the two gentlemen are Hardy and Ramanujan. Not only that. Not only that. Okay. You are giving only a partial answer. So these two gentlemen, Hardy and Ramanujan, the early part of the 20th century, right? Hardy was a mathematician, right, of a big repute. And it was he who actually kind of coached Ramanujan. He identified Ramanujan's potential. It was he who invited Ramanujan, from Tamil Nadu to UK, right, to do research, right? And once upon a time, Ramanujan was ill, okay? So Hardy came in a car, okay? And that car's number was 1729. He came in a car to meet Ramanujan, who was sick, and that car's number was 1729. So Hardy told Ramanujan, see, this 1729 seems to be a dull number. That is the number, my car had, okay, as a registration number, okay. Immediately Ramanujan said, 1729 is not a dull number. In fact, it is a very, very interesting number. It is the sum of two cubes, okay, but the smallest number that can be expressed as sum of two cubes in two different ways. Okay, if you don't understand, let me show you. It is the smallest number, right? 1729 that can be expressed as a sum of two cubes. Do you know what is a cube? I have a number. If I say I am cube, it means I am multiplying it 3 times. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is square means
Put 2 times.
I am multiplying it 2 times. So cube, he immediately said, is the smallest number which can be expressed as the sum of two different cubes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Some more interesting tidbits, right? Remember, we had a discussion in the previous class, right? We discussed about zeros, decimals, and all that. Okay.
Yes.
In the ancient world, especially Egypt, this is how they were representing their numbers. So something like 1328 was represented like this. Do you know what it actually means?
No, sir.
They were actually writing 1328 as 1000, then 300, then 20, then 8. That is how the world was writing the numbers without the concept of thousands, hundreds, tens. Now you understand the importance of zero?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So our Vedic system of mathematics was much advanced. Okay, even if you don't believe in Vedas, right? The Indian system of mathematics, right? It was much evolved. The way other cultures, the other civilizations learned mathematics, used mathematics was very primitive. Ours was very, very advanced. It is those advanced things that we are going to learn and apply in our lives. You understand this, no? Any of you do not understand this?
Yeah.
Any of you do not understand? Okay. So our system was much evolved. Any questions? Okay. Archimedes principle. We talked about it. What is Archimedes principle?
Weight of water is equal to
Weight of water equal to? What is weight of water equal to? Some problem with my mark. Okay. Weight of water equals what?
sir, weight of
7.8 hazards.
Sorry. Come again.
7.83 hazards.
No. That is the vibrational frequency of Earth. That is different. Here, Archimedes, he was also a mathematician and a great philosopher. Okay, talking about historic times. People are trying to find what will be the weight of an object, right? What will be the weight of a liquid? If let's say gold is there, and if gold is mixed with some other thing, how will you measure the purity of gold? In fact, that is the challenge that was given to Archimedes. Okay, because the king ordered a gold throne to be made for him.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Tell me. You can't hear us? Okay. So he wanted a gold throne to be made, but he realized, he somehow felt it was not pure. Okay. So how do you demonstrate that the thing is impure, right? Because the
Sir,
gold can
you.
be, sorry?
Hello?
Yes, tell me. Tell me, who is this?
Vidya, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Vidya, you have any questions?
She has some network issues, Govind.
Okay. Sure, no problem. So to find that out, okay, many people are trying to figure out, and Archimedes actually solved that problem by telling that, the weight of any object, okay, in water, right, is equal to the volume of water that is displayed from the object. If a tub is there full of water, if you go inside, some water spills out, right? The volume of that water can be shown as equivalent to your weight. Okay. In fact, that's what Archimedes solved. In fact, that is his principle. The weight of an object in a liquid surface is equivalent to the volume of the liquid that is displayed by the object that is kept in water. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is on the Archimedes principle. I want all of you to go and read it. Okay. This is all related to mathematics.
Sir, can you repeat it?
See, what I'm trying to say is, if let's say there is a tub, okay, you put a log, okay, or you put some object, or you put a ball, right? Some water is spilled, right? Some water spills out, right? Because you have filled it to the brim. How do I find the weight of the ball? It is equivalent to the volume of water that I have displaced. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. Tell me.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I got kicked out of the meeting. Could you repeat it again, sir?
No, I said I was just explaining Archimedes' principle. What I'm trying to say is, this principle, if you see that, this principle has been around for a long time. Okay. It is used to tell the weight of an object in a liquid, right? If you have a tub, in that you put, let's say, a bat, cricket bat. Okay. If I want to find what is the weight of the cricket bat, it is equivalent to the volume of liquid that is displaced, that is volume of liquid that is thrown out of the container.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I got
Try
it.
it out. Go and try it out. These things you should go and test it. Okay. Okay. So now just one more point before we go into the thing. How many of you know Pythagoras theorem? How many of you know what is Pythagoras theorem?
Sir,
I
can I
don't know
try?
it, sir.
Okay. How many of you know? Can you please raise your hand? Asma knows. Nihal. Hamsa. Okay. Few of you know this. What it actually means is you have a triangle like this. Okay. If I want to find the length of this, it is actually sum of a square plus b square. It is a very, very important event, important finding in the world of mathematics. Okay. Many of the developments that happened can be traced back to this. Okay. This is known as Pythagoras theorem. This is known as a right-angled triangle. Do you know what is an angle? How many of you read? All of you have read angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is known as right angle, 90 degrees. This is a triangle. Okay. What it says is a square plus b square equals c square. Okay. A square plus b square. If I want to find the length of this, what I need to do is I need to square these two and I will get the square of this distance. Clear? This is
Yes,
known
sir.
as a Pythagoras theorem. But Pythagoras theorem has been around for many, many years, used in India, especially in construction. Okay. And a reference to this can be found in Baudhayana Sutra. Okay. What Pythagoras invented, or Indians invented it, rather discovered it, right? Many, many years ago. Right?
Yes, sir.
If I tell A is 3, B is 4, what is C? If A is 3, B is 4, what is C?
5.
All of you understand this? All of you understanding this? How it is 7? What is A square? It is nothing but 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to my C square. How much is 3 square?
9,
9,
4 square?
16,
16,
What is 9 plus 16?
25,
25,
25. But C square is 25. How much is C?
5.
5.
Now you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
But this was known to us many, many years before. It is those things that we are trying to do. Okay. So now, before as we are getting into it, can you quickly tell me how much is 992 into 993. Go and type the answer in chat. (992) into 993. Forgotten, huh? Okay. All of you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. What is the right answer?
985056.
Correct. 985056 is the right answer. Why few of you got 096? Can you go correct it?
Sir, I checked it again, sir. I got like first I got 96, again I corrected it and I got 56.
Correct. So by the time 056, the first person wrote it, it is actually quite late. Right? Some of you have taken a full 1 minute. So in a 2-minute test, out of 15 questions, you can answer only one question, is it? Let's do one more sum.
Yes.
991 into 996. What is this, guys? 1 minute.
Sir, I answered below 15 seconds, sir.
But you have not come and have you written it in this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You've written well and good. In the chat, I don't see anyone mentioning in the chat. Okay. Is that the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Is that the right answer? But only few people are getting it, no? What about the remaining? No, Pranita, it is 987. Remember, you are multiplying a 3-digit number. Remember, you are multiplying a 3-digit number. What happening to my pen? Interesting. All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I need to restart the system. Okay, no problem. You want to try one more question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do one more. Let's do a 2-digit, okay?
Yes.
85
Yes, sir.
into 95. Okay, I got 4, 5 responses, 6. 7 responses. What is the right answer? Is it 2-5 or 7-5?
7-5, sir.
7-5.
7-5.
Right. Okay.
Sir, can you give us one more 3-digit number?
Yes, yes, we will. We will give that. Have you all got this? Got this
Yes.
correctly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will give one more, but let's go and see the new one, okay? What you have learned, and after that we will come back to this.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So that it is interesting. Right? Wait a minute, what's happening to my... Okay, so now how will you do 42 into 23? This is based on one more sutra. Okay, concept of vertical and crosswise. You're going to use that and do it. First, what you do is you multiply the rightmost. What is 2 into
I
3?
can't see the screen, sir.
Oh, sorry. Thank you for telling. I'm not sharing. So we are going to see one more sutra, right? One more. Okay. So which is 42 into 23, right? It is based on Urdhva Tiryabhyam, okay? Vertical and crosswise. You're going to see what is that. 42 into 23, right? First, what you do is 6,
Yes, sir.
rightmost. Then what you do, leftmost. Okay. First
Yes,
I
sir.
take,
Rightmost.
right? What is that person wants to say? 9. Yeah. Wait. We will. Yes, Asma. Just see how we are doing it. Okay. Now you do 4 into 2. Then you do, now you have done this. Now you need to find the middle digit. So what you do, you multiply across. 4 into 3 is how much?
12.
4 into 3 is 12.
12.
2 into 2 is?
4.
4.
So I add the 2, I get?
16.
So what I do?
1 carry.
I carry 1.
Yes, sir.
Add it here, and I get 966. Clear?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir, can we do the rightmost first? Then we can multiply 4 into 3.
You can do that. You
I
can do.
didn't get the third method, sir.
Sorry, I'm not getting it.
I
So the
didn't
third
get the
method,
third
like
one.
we have to like cross multiply and then we have to add them.
See, this is a different method. See, please understand, earlier it is based on complement. But here there is no complement, no?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes,
So
sir.
my doubt is actually like when we cross multiply, we have to add them, no?
Yes. 4 into 3 is 12. 2 into 2 is 4. What is the doubt for you guys?
Yes, sir, I got it. And the one we should add it to the left one.
See, this is 2 into 3, 6.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Right?
Understood, sir.
4 into 2 is 8. After that, I have to multiply across. Remember what did we say? Vertical and across. That is the sutra for you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you want to try any number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try 41 into 29.
41 into 29.
Go ahead and put the answer.
I couldn't hear your question properly.
41 into 29.
Sir, 1189, sir.
1189, right? Come and put it in chat, okay? Follow the instruction. Right? Why I'm saying is, I appreciate your, interest, everything. What you have to do as per the exam, no? In exam, you need to write somewhere. You need to select an answer. Right? That is why I want you to get into the habit.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it easy?
This method called?
Huh? I'm not getting it now.
What is this method called?
See, this method is based on the sutra.
Hello?
Yes, I'm bringing it.
Sir, yesterday for the homework, I asked my mother to give me a sum, sir. She gave me 210 into 410. I didn't know how to do it because the complement would be too big and multiplication.
This is only the second class, no? We are going to cover that. We are going to cover that. This is only the second class, no? You have 18 more classes. Right?
Yes, sir.
There are many more things we are going to cover. Right? So this is based on the technique is Urdhva Tiryabhyam, which means vertical crosswise. Right? Don't worry about this, okay? That's not our objective. Our objective is not to learn. I mean, for someone has written, fine. More the application. Okay. In fact, I'm going to bring a lot of examples, not just from Vedic maths, even from other, disciplines, which have made mathematics simpler. A lot of other cultures which have attempted to make mathematics simpler. We are going to bring that, right? So our objective is not to learn Sanskrit or Latin and all that, right? It's more to apply. Okay, I'm going to bring things from Latin verses as well. Okay, because it's all right. Our old civilization.
Oh yeah, that's a call from. What is it called? Yeah,
right? Any doubts on this? Anything you tried? You have a question?
I don't know.
No doubt,
I don't know what to say. So I
No, sir.
Okay, can we do one more sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I was in class.
37 into 49. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
How much time you are taking? See that. Can you, I'll give one more sum. Now the challenge is, can you do it in less than 10 seconds?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. We will try, sir.
You will try?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Try.
So the earliest response that came, in fact, I was measuring it, is 22 seconds.
Done, sir.
right? No, what I'm trying to say is the time it took for you to put the answer, okay, the first answer is 22 seconds. In fact, I was measuring it in my stopwatch. Okay, that's what I want you to do. You know how to keep a stopwatch? You all use mobiles, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyone doesn't know how to use a stopwatch? Next class, I will take a class, okay? How to use a stopwatch. Any of you, please raise your hand. Any of you do not know how to use a stopwatch? Use a laptop. Yeah, even in a laptop you can do, no? I'll keep a mobile next to you. In laptop you can do stopwatch, no?
Yes, sir.
Not necessarily in mobile. So measure it, right? You're all doing it, which is good, right? But I want you to increase the speed, right? 10 seconds. Online stopwatch. Yes, Vidya. Right? 10 seconds you should be able to do. Nothing more than that. You can use the same technique for a 4-digit into a 4-digit. You want to try? That's a real test.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
4
Sir,
digits.
first can you explain one question with 4 digits, then we'll do it.
Yes, I will. Of course, definitely. But what I'm trying to say is, see, what is the whole objective of learning? I want you to enjoy, right? Remember what Ramanujam said, even when he was sick, when a number was shown to him, he thought of what could be the combination of the number. So all of you can become Ramanujams. That is what I'm trying to convey. All you have to do is, you need to start enjoying the subject. If you start enjoying the numbers, you all can become Ramanujams. Okay? You all can become Ramanujams. Henceforth, when you see any number, think of all that you have learned. Right?
Yes, sir.
Think of all that you have learned. Think of, if you see any object in your, can you give an example of a right angle triangle? What is a right angle triangle? What is a right angle triangle?
Sir, it is 90 degrees, sir.
90 degrees, right? That is what we saw in Pythagoras theorem. Right?
Yes,
That's
sir.
what we
Yes.
saw in Pythagoras theorem. So now, how many of you, let me bring that now, how many of you can remember that, in your home, okay? Can you give an example of a right angle triangle that you use at home?
Right angle triangle.
That you use at home. That's how you need to start.
Sir,
Yes.
in our clock, when it is 6:45, we will be able to see.
What is that?
Sir, in our clock, when it is like almost 6 at 5:45, we will be able to see right angle.
Okay. What else? You don't have any object at home which is a right angle triangle.
Sir, I'm thinking.
Think.
Sir, pizza slice.
Huh?
Sir, a pizza slice.
Pizza slice is normally a circle, no?
Sir, a door.
Door. Good.
Door 90 degrees.
How shoe is this thing?
Not
What
shoe,
would you?
sir, door.
Okay.
Sir, half sandwich.
Huh?
Sir, cube. Sir,
Half
in a page.
sandwich.
Sorry?
A box.
Half
Right.
sandwich.
Half sandwich. What about your mobile?
Sir, cube. Why don't we take it as cube?
Yes, cube is one good
Book.
example.
Sir,
Sir,
photo.
slice of a pizza, sir, not a pizza. Slice of a pizza.
Slice of a pizza, is it in the form of this? I have never got a piece like this.
It's like a triangle only, sir.
Okay.
Sir, room.
Room, yeah. But what about your mobile? Can I break my mobile diagonally?
Yes, sir.
Is my mobile consisting of two right angle triangles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is my laptop screen consisting of two right angle triangles?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
You understand now?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to see all this in your day-to-day lives. Okay.
Sir, a book.
A book, yes. Book, yes, correct. In fact, in your mobile and laptop, do you know what they say as the screen size? Do you know what is the screen size? People will say that this is a 5-inch mobile. If I put two small lines, it means it is an inch, unit of measurement. What is a 5-inch mobile? It is nothing but
Size of display.
yes, it is the
Size of display.
size of, it is not size of the display. It is the size of the screen, but measured diagonally.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
For TVs also, they just say 55
Yes.
inches. 50 inches.
For TV, they may say that, it's a 30-inch TV, right?
Yes, sir.
So what you are going to do is, before you come for the next class, you have to measure this. Okay? What is 125 square? I told the example in the last class.
Yes, sir, I did it.
What is
just a
answer?
second.
What is answer?
Sir,
What is 125
15,625. Sir,
I'm glad.
15,625.
Right. All of you are getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having a doubt? But I see only 4-5 answers. How will you do it? I told you, split this into
Split it, sir.
2. You square this 25. Then you multiply 12 into 12
13.
plus 1. Right? 12 plus 1. This is 13. 12 into 13. 12 into 13 is how much?
156.
156. Then I have 25. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubts?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's see one more technique before we wind up. Just 1 minute. So, remember you asked for a difficult one, 4-digit. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 4
Yes,
digit.
sir.
So I'm multiplying 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir, we can't see a screen, sir.
Oh, sorry. I'll bring it up. Two, 3, 4, 5 into 4, 1, 6, 3. In fact, this is technique 7. You have learned so many techniques, right? 2, 3, 4, 5 into 4, 1, 6, 3. You start with the first one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you choose the 2. But when you choose the 2, what you do 2 into 1, right?
Cross.
3 into 4 cross. Then you add the 2, 14. but you represent this as 4, carryover is 1.
Okay, sir.
Then you go for 3, the third one. Okay. Here you do 2 into 6, 4 into 4, then 3 into 1. Right? Vertical and crosswise. Someone is trying to give the answer? No. Hang on, man. Okay. Now add all 3, you get 31. So you put 1 here, carryover is 3. Now you take all 4. Okay. 2 into 3, then 5 into 4, then 3 into 6, 4 into 1. Okay. Then you add all 4. You get 48. You put 8. 4 is carried over. Now you went like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do the reverse, because there's a 4 digit into a 4 digit. How will you do this? 3 into 3, 5 into 1, 4 into 6. 38. I put 8, carry over 3. Then I do 2. 4 into 3, 5 into 6. Add 42. 2 carry over is 4. Then the last one is 5 and 3. I put 5 here, 1. And then I am trying to add the 2. 5, 3, 12, carry over is 1. 2, carry over is 1. It is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You want to try one sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, someone is trying to chat something. What is it? You didn't understand. Okay. Let me explain once more. So here we have to multiply the two numbers, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 6, 3. Remember what is the verse? Vertical and crosswise, right? But I've taken you to a difficult sum, right? 4 digit by 4 digit is always challenging, right? So first what you do, you multiply these two. You get 8. Then I multiply, then I am selecting these two, which is nothing but 2 into 1 plus 3 into 4. And then I add the 2, that is 14. But I write 14 as 4, carry over is 1. Then I choose 3, right? I first did 2 and 4, then I took 23, 41. Now I have taken 234, 416. What do? I multiply these two crosswise, then vertical. I add the 3, right? Now I have got 3. Now I choose the last one as well, which is 2 into 3, 5 into 4, 3 into 6, 4 into 1. Addition of all this is 48. So get 8, carry over is 4. Okay. Now I do the reverse. Okay. And then I add. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So let's try this sum. 2, 1, 4, 3 into 3, 7, 1, 2. Good. Very good. Very good. But only 4 people. 5. Okay. Don't worry. We will redo this again, right? At the start of the next class, because we're almost coming towards the end. Okay? We're
Okay,
almost
sir.
coming towards the end. We will see more such thing. So what I want you to do is pick up any 2 digits that we did, pick up any 4 digits, pick up any 3 digits, try and multiply. Challenge is, can you do it in 10 seconds? Keep a timer. Okay? We will go through this once more at the
So
beginning
your
of the
voice was breaking at that time.
right. No, what I'm trying to say is, we will see this once again at the start of the next class. Okay? Because I know 4 digit into 4 digit can be confusing to few of you, right? Although I see many of you responding, which is very good, right? Number 1. So at home, what I want you to do is pick up any 2 digits, any 3 digit, any 4 digit. See if you can multiply in under 10 seconds. That is a challenge.
But with the complement method or this method?
Both. Try both.
Yes, sir.
See, I always understand when I give you a sum, right? You can use any method. It is like when you go to a war, right? You are taught so many techniques. Okay, I am going to teach you so many techniques, but you choose whichever you are comfortable with. Challenge is, can you do it in less than 10 seconds? But what I will suggest is, if you have an option to do it by complement method and this vertical crosswise method, do it by both, because you are starting off.
Okay,
Clear?
sir. Understood.
Because you are starting off. Try with both the methods. Challenge is, can you do it in 10 seconds? Let's say when you are starting, you are taking 30 seconds. Don't aim immediately for 10 seconds. See if you can do it in 25 seconds. Then after a while, see if you can do it in 20 seconds. Right? Always go for a step-by-step reduction, because I don't want you to feel demotivated. Don't feel that 10 seconds is the ultimate. Okay, even if you do in 30 seconds, it is a very good performance. Don't feel bad. Okay, but I want you to improve. That is what I want all of you to aim at. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? Yeah. See, for those of you who have not registered, Ravikant, is mentioning, right? So please contact him at the number that is mentioned for registering. This applies mainly to the college students who are attending. Okay. Yes, Ravi, you want to add anything?
Yeah, I think the Anish College students, whosoever wants to continue these classes from next Wednesday onwards, please get in touch with me and register so that you can attend the entire 20-hour program.
Yes.
So
Okay.
I think Nihal and others as well, I think were part of artificial intelligence sessions who want to join, they can get in touch with me.
Yep. Oh, Nihal is there. Okay. Hi, Nihal. Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. Thanks, everyone. And have a good weekend. We will meet again on Wednesday at 5 o'clock.